Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show some really good fidgets. In my opinion, really bad fidgets. So if I didn't brush my hair, it's fine. Okay, so let's start. Oh wait, I forgot this one. Then it's just going to be like this. I really recommend a puppet. Puppets are one of the best ones to have. Especially really soft puppets when you have like, I don't know, triple dimples. I really recommend them. They're easy to hold in hand and some can be fidget spinners. When you have a fidget spinner, they have cool colours. I really recommend anything that's like, what is it? Textured. Anything textured, I really recommend. So like this thing, and then this thing. Really recommend. Except this one's getting a little bit too big. Wait, sorry guys, gotta be right back. Sorry guys, my earring was just hurting. So I recommend come on, yeah, okay. Whatever I just said before, I really recommend. Okay, I really recommend toys like this that like have these thrills. Toys that are like okay, full quality, but it's called. In my opinion, don't really recommend puzzle balls, but if you really wanna be smarter, well, if you wanna have if you really like puzzle fidgets, I really recommend this. Fidget spinners, I guess it's okay, but mine's broken. If you put soap and water on it, it breaks because it gets all rusty, so don't do that. I hate hard things. I literally hate hard balls, like hard squishies. Orby balls. I love the Orby balls. Just the bad thing is that the Orbeez, they can get literally squashed inside and break. That's the only bad thing. Because I can see that some are broken in here. And lastly, I recommend any squishy that is not broken. That one's broken there. And it has little legs. But it's a really good squish-delicious squishy that I just think they get broken easily. So I really recommend all these squishy fidgets. If you have any other fidgets. Oh yeah, no, so I really recommend this fidget. It's a slow rising ball. I don't know why it was on the floor. Alright, I really don't recommend these. Or Robust tubes. I really recommend Infinity tubes. This one's a little rusty. Oh, and I also recommend Tangles. DIY water thing, water snakes. Don't really recommend because they can leak, so I guess they can just go here. Okay, anyways guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you liked, subscribed, and turn on the post notifications.